Well guys, it's time to pack. So I'm gonna be gone for 5 weeks. Usually what I do is I pack 1 week's worth of clothes because I don't like checking bags and I don't like having an excess amount of stuff. And also because it's 5 weeks, I think I might take 2 smaller bags versus 1 bigger bag. So 1 for electronics, 1 for actual clothes. So let me show you what I'm packing. So this is everything I want to take, which means I have to eliminate stuff. 2 pairs of pants, plus the one I'm going to be wearing tomorrow on the plane. 6 pairs of underwear, 6 pairs of socks, Speedos and goggles for swimming. Maybe just these instead of these. 3 t-shirts and the one that I'm going to be wearing tomorrow. This is my electric razor that I'm just going to put in a bag. There's no need to bring this entire box. I'm just gonna get my electric razor out and put it in a bag so it can fit in my backpack. And toiletries. So these are my 2 bags that I'm going to take. If it doesn't fit in there, I'm not taking it. Let's not forget about the gay essentials. Don't even get me started. More gay essentials. So far so good, look. The bag is half full. Still needs about half. Has to have gym shorts. This is a day bag that I'm packing. I wrapped it in Velcro. I took out my electric razor, toiletries, adapters. Camera charger, VR working headset so I can work, gay essentials, controller, and I think there's a microphone in here too. Yes, microphone for the camera. I was gonna take my tripod, but I actually decided not to because it is just too heavy. I'll just buy a small one or some cheap little one over there in Madrid that I can probably get rid of later or something. It's just heavy and it's big and it's bulky and no, can't do it. So I'm getting ready to fly to Madrid and I'm surprised that all my stuff fit. I have my backpack here. I just put in my laptop. It's not a big backpack, but it is full to the brim. And I don't even know if you can see. And I have my coat because I'm going to be in Berlin by the end of October. So even though right now you don't need a coat, I'm going to need it by the end of this trip. So let me see. I'm taking 2 bags. Little bag, medium bag. Both are carry-on, so, and they fit. Well, my backpack probably doesn't fit in the bottom of the seat right now, but the little bag will probably fit. So we'll see how it goes.